So, this is my laptop setup. And that is my laptop, Dell 5577. I have been using this laptop for 5 years now, and I recently got a notification that I want to get Windows 11 update. Said. You can also check it by downloading PC Health Check app. Unfortunately, my processor is not anymore supported for the new Windows 11. System requirement for new Windows are mentioned on the website. Although I am using my laptop for almost everything I do, from gaming to work to editing, so I decide to do a benchmark test for my 5-year-old laptop. Download the app and run it. Fast forwarding it, cause no one wants to get bored in a 3-minute video.
The user benchmark will do everything by itself, even the 3D graphic test.
App will take you the browser for full test report.
My mirror shows the other side of me.
My test results were decent according to the hardware specs. But in real life, I don't feel any lack of performance. And yes, I do play Rocket League a lot. Subscribe to my other channel to watch me play.